Alright, here it is. It's called the VENOM 2020. It's got about 83 miles on it. Scored it for a K, so it's not too bad. Yeah. Since that day we picked it up, it's actually been like a day or two, so I already tried it out. It's not too bad, man. So with this bike, I bought it for about $1,000 from some guy locally. He said it was brand new, but everyone can say it's brand new. But man, this thing is brand new, guys. I mean, like, if you really look at everything, we checked it out. He bought this in February. It still got some plastics on here. So it's kind of crazy how brand new it is. And I thought it had 83 miles. I brought it to my friend's house and he actually checked it out, and it's got about 9.2 right now. It had 8.3 when I got it. I thought it was 83. So we're gonna go ahead and put some gas in this thing. I can't really register it or anything yet, just because DMV is closed and all that stuff. Keep a lookout for the mod video. So this is the VENOM X20, similar to a GROM. I hit my boy Archie up so we can compare it to his GROM. But this is a good one, man. It's a good little buy. Everything is good. The only issue is probably this thing right here that I need to tighten up. So right now we're gonna go put some gas in here, so see you guys in a bit. Hey, where you at?
I can't make it.
Where you at?
I'm on McKinley.
Oh, are you? I'm gonna go to Shell.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll meet you at the house, if anything.
I'll meet you at Shell. By the time you get to Shell, I can show you.
Okay. Alright. Or you can stay on the phone with me. Alright, here we go. Woo! Boom, 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 boom. Whoa! Hey, it's nice, man. The third gear is like hella chill. This thing is so crazy. It's so easy to ride. It's a stock exhaust. I think I need to bleed the rear brakes for sure. But leaning this thing is, bro, it's so light. Oh, dude, this thing is perfect for the town, dude. Oh, bro. It's a little jerky because I'm getting used to the clutch. That grab point on the clutch is like, it's real sensitive. Oh, bro, people are staring at me. Ow. Dude, what the hell kind of street is this? Like, it's so weird. Alright guys, we're here at Shell. Bro, it rides like a good, bro. It rides really well. Huh? Yeah. It's big. It's big, huh? It's big. Like, it's bigger than I thought.
Yeah, it's actually bigger than the good. And it might stick off.
What do you mean, he wheeling? Oh, he knows how to do it, yeah?
Yeah, I was like, oh shit.
Yeah.
I'm over here thinking I really.
No, 10 miles.
Oh yeah.
We got 10 miles on it.
Huh?
Yeah, it's 10 miles. 10.3. 10.3.
Damn.
Yeah,
Oh,
hella
wait,
crazy.
you got like what?
I overfilled the gas too much. Oh shit. Ooh. Look.
You sure you're on neutral, bro?
No, bro, I'm not.
Yeah, hang on to it. Yeah, it's so tall.
Yeah, dude, it's tall. Alright guys, I had a little trouble closing this thing up. But everything seems okay. It still says it's empty though. There's a shitty part on the gas. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, look at this. It's not too bad. Look, I'm actually catching up to this car right here. It's not too bad, man. Yeah, guys, so, dude, this thing is sick. I'm sure there's better ones out there, but for the price, I mean, I did get it used, but this thing is dope, dude. Love it. I love it. Neutral is like,
It's hella.
yeah,
Plus, like,
because everything is small, you know?
oh, it's like my parents. This part is almost like my parents.
Yeah, it's matte. I'm gonna wrap it. Hey, first gear is hella short.
Oh my god, it's like it's a
Yeah. Hecka sticky.
Is it supposed to be like that?
No. Yeah, look at this guy. Looks like he's down to make some deliveries, some tofu, some noodles for you all. Pretty cool though, huh? It's like a little MT-07. Yeah. That's pretty good, huh? That's like a funny. Yeah, dude.